go.
He the mechanic, the detailer, he the everything.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, y'all see him?
Fly Roy,
yeah,
man.
the truck. Y'all got everything ready. Y'all can see we are locked and ready. And I got my partner with me. Want to say something, buddy?
Yeah.
Today is going to be a good day because we are master of our what?
Abilities.
Y'all hear that? We are master of our abilities. And y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. And I hope y'all having a good day. Peace. Go.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-80 East, I-94 East.
So it's your boy back. We at our location. So what I got on today, we getting ready to get the truck open, get everything out. We got a house to detail today. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around and let y'all see. It's a nice, real nice house. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it, we doing all stone. We're gonna also wash down up here some. We're gonna do the stone here. Also gonna hit the sidewalk here. All this has all been freshly painted. And we're going to get up front here, all the stone, the walking in the house here, and also the stone up front. Like I said, y'all stay tuned. And y'all see we definitely in the building. We are in the building. See your boy. If you need your house pressure washed, holler at me. You know, we make things happen. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. 2, right there. And guess what, guys? We also doing motorcycles. I also got my motorcycle stand in the back, y'all. Like I said, we do a lot of different things. Y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. All right, gonna let y'all see. Check out that stone now. Check out that stone now. Check out the stone now. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys see it? We get ready to go up front. Ready to pull the truck up front. Go ahead and do the front. Gonna get that done real nice down, real nice. And like I said, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Got the house all done. I'm gonna spin the camera around. I did do a little extra. When people have like the little mulch stuff in their little, gardens or whatever, I also like to leaf blow everything to make it look real nice. And y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna spin the camera around and let y'all see. Peace. Y'all see, we cleaned all this up, blew all this up. I'm not gonna leave and, little mulch blowing everywhere. So we got that blown off, all taken care of. As y'all can see, the stone now is dry now. It is dry now. And it's no more mold on the house. We're gonna go around. We did not do the gray part because it's freshly painted. But we did take care of the front of the house. Remember before, guys, there was a bunch of mold all on top of the step and the stairways here. And as y'all can see all knocked out. And also it was real bad over here. And it's all done, guys. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. If you need your house pressure washed or your car detailed or anything of that nature, you guys know my number. If not, it's area code 219-796-7579. And just tap in, leave me a message, or just leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.